national and local levels. Please let others know that you can sign up at any point in time and join any session throughout the week. I would like to take a quick minute to allow one of our Early Learner South Dakota Data Committee members to talk about an exciting announcement that is new to our website. I would now like to introduce Callie Schleisner from Benchmark Data Labs, and she will be talking a little bit more about the announcement. I'll let her make the announcement.
Thank you so much, Kayla. Good morning, everybody. My name is Callie Schleisner. I am the Director of I'm the Director of Monitoring and Evaluation here at Benchmark Data Labs and a member of the Early Learner South Dakota Data Committee. I'm a massive data nerd, and I'm really excited to showcase some of the work our data committee has done to launch a Early Learner South Dakota data dashboard. So I'm going to show you where that is on the website today and walk you through how you can use it. All right, here's my screen. Excellent. So if you go to the Early Learner South Dakota website and scroll down just a little bit, you will see a data dashboard. We realize that data questions may arise during sessions, and we wanted you to have an opportunity to be able to explore data that might answer those questions. This is a data dashboard that has 25 different indicators on early learners and their families and the environments that support learning in South Dakota. We hope that this data dashboard helps people better understand who early learners are, where they are, and what learning environments are available to them. So I'm going to take a quick moment to look through this data dashboard with you. Please note that everything that we're going to be going through today, you can go through on this how to use data dashboard video here at the bottom, just in case you haven't had all of your coffee like I have today. We've designed this early learner data dashboard to have really interesting data about early learners, both as a narrative and also as charts and graphs. If you hover over a chart and graph, you're going to get more information on that particular data point. We also wanted to be able to showcase trends. If you're somebody like me who really likes to get deep down into the data, this is where you should go. You scroll down to these demographic trends. You can then select any indicator that you want that shows trends for whatever available data that we have. We also separate data out into a number of different categories. We have two sections that focus specifically on early learners. For this data dashboard, it's generally children between the ages of 0 to 8, but sometimes includes children up to the ages of 13 or even up to the ages of 20. This gives you more information on the health and safety of early learners. We also include early learner household characteristics. For example, who lives where, what kind of households they might live in, if they're single parent or two-parent households, and what sort of income support these children. We also include assistance information and learning environment information. If you're somebody that wants to know how many registered or licensed childcare providers there are in South Dakota, this is a really great place to look for you. We also know that sometimes the hardest part about data is understanding where it comes from and what it means. So for each of our data points, we include a data and notes section here in the Notes tab. That'll help you to better understand where the data comes from. So if you select, for example, a data point, we'll give you the data along with notes and even a direct link to a source that you can explore the data yourself. Unfortunately, there's a lot of data gaps in South Dakota. There's a lot of questions that we currently can't answer with data, and we wanted to make sure to bring that forward for you. So if you go to our data gaps page, we'll give you more information on maybe a question you might have that we don't have data for currently. And we know sometimes data is only as good as it is getting in front of somebody who wants to look at it. So we know that sometimes you might not want to pull up your laptop. We've made all of our dashboards mobile friendly, so you can pull them up on your phone. And if you wanted to get in front of a legislator or somebody that needs something physical in their hand, we've designed all these data dashboards to be downloaded as a PDF. So if you go down here at the bottom and click download the PDF, then select specific sheets from this workbook, pardon me. Click select all. You'll then be able to download a PDF that saves all of your preferences in the data dashboard as a PDF that you can print out and bring along with you. It includes the day that it was downloaded, so there's no confusion about when the data was pulled for South Dakota. And that's it, folks. That's our data dashboard. We're really excited to bring it to you. We've done a lot of work as a data committee with partners across the state. That includes South Dakota Kids Count, SDA EYC, and others. Thank you for giving me a chance to be a data nerd, and feel free to share this out with all of your data enthusiasts across the state. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much, Callie. So we will, I will put a link in the chat to the Early Learner South Dakota website. So, please go ahead and check that out anytime in more detail. I want to thank the data committee and Callie so much for all of their hard work putting this together. And another reminder is that all of our sessions, except for the ACEs presentations, will be recorded and available on the Early Learner YouTube channel. We will be sure to put that link out there for you in the chat throughout the week, and then we'll also make it available on our Early Learner South Dakota website, as well as the Black Hills Reads and Early Learner South Dakota Facebook pages. So now we are going to take about a 10 to 15 minute break. We're going to keep this Zoom link open. We're going to be moving right into our first session, which is the Early Learner Toolkit panel session. We have several representatives from our early learner communities around South Dakota. And we will bring that back to you and start that discussion promptly at 10:30 Mountain, 11:30 Central. Thank you all, and I will see you in about 10 minutes.